This video is part of a series of tutorials on how to use the PICOL database. In this video, we will explain how to search for Special Local Needs, or SLN, products in PICOL. These are also sometimes called 24C labels. This video assumes that you are already familiar with searches in PICOL. If you have any questions about the search process, you should watch our tutorials on quick and advanced searches. The PICOL database has several different ways of allowing users to filter for SLNs. The first and easiest is with an express or one-click search. From the home page, click Searches and then Quick. On the left side of the page, you will find several express searches. Click the SLN by number search, and the database will return a list of all currently registered SLN labels. This list includes both Washington and Oregon SLNs. Remember, results from the quick and express searches will only return labels from the current year. If you need to look up expired labels or are not seeing what you are looking for, consider trying an advanced search over all years. The second way you can search for SLNs is by using an advanced search. By default, advanced searches only search within the current year, so make sure that you change that to all years if you're looking for expired SLNs. Under the Add Search Term box, click the drop-down menu and select any of the three SLN-related fields. This version of the PICOL database does not offer a one-click way to list SLNs by crop, but you can filter SLNs by crop simply by searching for a crop and then filtering the results screen with the SLN columns. As with all searches, SLN search results can be filtered and exported. It is useful to remember that all SLNs have their state listed as part of their identification, so you can easily sort your results by state simply by entering WA or OR in the SLN field. The SLN's name is also usually related to the application sites it allows, so searching for a crop or application site in the SLN name section can also be helpful. Alternatively, by searching for a crop and filtering the results by the SLN column, you can retrieve all SLNs registered to that crop. Hopefully, this has clarified how to filter SLN labels in the PICOL database. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at picol.info@wsu.edu. You can also scan the QR code located on the screen or watch more of our tutorial videos. For status updates on the database and news about the pest management community, consider checking us out on Twitter at PICOL_MGR or Facebook at wsu.wsprs. Thank you.